Hi there, my name is Ross Spano with Spano Law. I'm an estate planning attorney and I provide my clients with peace of mind about the future of their families. I want to talk to you about one of the lesser known benefits of having a revocable trust as opposed to a last will and testament. One of the things I talk a lot about is how a revocable trust allows you to avoid probate, that time consuming, expensive process that's typically required to transfer your things to your family, even required when you have a last will and testament. So that's a benefit, but I want to talk about something else today, and that is the benefit of privacy. When you have a revocable trust, that document is not recorded, it's not filed with the government, it's not filed at the courthouse, and not generally available publicly anywhere. So what that means that arguably interested parties can't challenge what you've done. They can't file contesting claims. Disgruntled family and friends can't file claims. The creditors don't have the opportunity to do that. And so that's a benefit. Also, just the benefit of not having your laundry aired publicly for the world to see and know what you have and what you transferred and to whom. So if that's important to you, not only to avoid probate, but maybe equally as important, to keep your affairs private and keep disgruntled members of your family and friends and certainly creditors from filing claims, then consider a revocable living trust over just a last will and testament. And if I can help you with that, I would love to. Reach out to me.